Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making minion pen holders. Okay, now to make one of these purple minion cans, what you will need is a can. It doesn't matter what size can you have. And I've just cleaned this one out and taken the label off. Now I have measured this purple bit of felt and I've made it so that it fits just around my can. So that will depend on what size can you're using as to what size your felt is. Or you could use fabric or cardboard, it would all work. And then I've got a black piece which is the same size as the can as well. That's the overalls. And I've got another black piece which will go up the top, which is the same size as the can again. I've got some purple feathers, lots of purple feathers. Now this white bit of felt is their teeth, so you need to cut that shape out for their wonky teeth. And I've got a googly eye, and I've cut out a grey piece of felt that will go around. And you need a black piece of string that's just about the same size as the can again. And I've got a smaller purple piece that will fit over there for the bottom lip. And I've got another little purple piece that I've cut out that will be the eyelid. And another little piece that will be the pocket. Okay, so now we're going to put it all together. So you'll need a hot glue gun as well. So I'm going to start by gluing the purple body on to the can. Then we're going to just stick the overalls on. Now make sure you're sticking it at the bottom of the can, not the top. And that the seam is at the back. You want that at the back, not the front. Okay, now then we need the string for the overalls. So we're just going to stick that there. And his pocket. Then just above that we're going to glue the teeth so that it's just above the overalls. Then the bottom lip over the teeth, just above the overalls. Then for the feathers, we are just going to first glue them all onto here. So we're going to put the hot glue on this and put all our feathers on there. Then we need to now glue that bit to the can. Then all that's left is his eye. So first we stick the eye on in the middle, right above the pocket and the teeth. Then we stick the other bits on. So we need the eyelid and put a bit more glue on there. Then the little goggle bit. And there we have it. Finished. And you can put your pins in there.
Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Bye!